Hey everyone, the bees are out pollinating all the flowers, there's sun in the sky, and it's getting a little hotter. We're in spring, and you know what that means? It's time for some springtime cocktails. I've got a version of the Irish Maid cocktail that I'm going to call the Aussie Maid. The reason it's called the Aussie Maid is because we're using this Coastal Stone whiskey. That's right, this delicious single malt whiskey. Alrighty, let's get into this delicious cocktail. Now we're gonna make this one up in our shaker. We've got 60 mils of our whiskey straight in, followed by 20 mils of our lemon juice. We're gonna be using some elderflower cordial. So we're gonna do 15 mils of that. And 10 mils of our sugar syrup, just to sweeten it up a little bit. Amazing. Now once you've got everything in your shaker, you're gonna pop in a handful or so of ice. Not too much, this is just to cool it down. Pop on your cap and give it a shake. Yeehaw. Got this cute little glass here. Like the look of that one. Don't need a massive glass, you know, kind of small one. Not as small as a rocks glass though. I'm gonna put a little bit more liquid into it. I'm gonna fill it up with ice. And then we are going to double strain because we use fresh lemon juice. We don't use any concentrate. I've already find it hard enough too. Amazing. And we got that in there, it's looking good. We will then just pop in our garnish. We've got two pre-prepared little slice-a-roonies of cucumber. We're just gonna pop them straight in, into the side there. Keep it nice and fresh. And because it's spring, I absolutely love spring. I've got a little flower that I've picked, a little nasturtium from the garden that I've been growing out the back. I just think it adds that little extra element to the drink, keeps it cute. So we're just gonna pop that in there as well. So any edible flower will work, but I just think, you know, add a little bit of color into your life. Awesome, and there we have our Aussie Maid. Cheers to you, cheers to me.